Yo, what's up everyone? Back at you again at the Apex Auto. I'm gonna be modifying my $6,000 hood in a parking lot. Check it out. We don't even have a flathead screwdriver today. We're using a key. And I'm gonna pop these little tabs. And there's probably about, I don't know, 8 of them or so. They're coming down pretty good. Come on. This would be a lot easier with a screwdriver. This is scary to do. Such an expensive hood. Let's see what it looks like. What do you think? Yeah. And I just gotta bend the things back. It definitely looks a lot more aggressive. I think I'm gonna end up taking these bad boys off though. Cutting them off so they don't show. Because they are sharp. That is sick. Ooh. That makes all the difference. That makes all the difference. It's crazy, a little 5-second project in a parking lot, but yeah. Anyhow, if y'all like the content, like, subscribe, follow, hit me up on Instagram. Y'all know what to do. Peace.
This video is sponsored by blinker fluid. If you guys are tired of your blinkers not blinking correctly, look no further. Maximum Strength blinker fluid is on sale for 3 cents. Or you can give me your 2 cents and I'll give you some for free.